Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. I'm glad that you are here. And I have a mystery bundle from Fabfitfun. It's called the Refill Mystery Bundle. So Fabfitfun, if you are a member of Fabfitfun, you can be an annual member and you pay $220 a year. If you are a seasonal member, you pay $60 a quarter. So you save $20 if you're able to pay it by the year. So $5 a quarter, it's not that big of a savings. But if you're an annual, you get more perks. So you get to choose out of the 6 categories, you get to choose all 6 of your categories. If you are a seasonal member, then you just choose out of the first 4 categories, and the last 2 Fabfitfun picks for you. So it just depends how you want to do it and which way you want to go. Well, anyway, they also have add-on sales, and they have mystery bundles that used to be $29, and they have a value of over $100, and now those have gone up to $39 a bag. And I have not bought one yet. I've seen a few, and they've been either very similar to what we already were getting, or maybe a little bit nicer. So maybe I'll splurge for one someday, but that's a little bit too much for me. So they do, when you do your customization, they have add-ons. And then they have these, I forgot what they call the other thing. Well, anyway, you can add things on, and they're called refills. And the others are called, what are they called? Not bonuses, but whatever. The other one, we're not talking about that one. So let's talk about the refills. They have things like, they have a dry shampoo, they have shampoos, they have different kinds of mystery bundles. They have like a home mystery bundle, they have a beauty mystery bundle, things like that. And they have, like, you know, an expensive moisturizer that maybe is $90, and they have it maybe a refill price of $32.90. So how that refill works is once you sign up for the refill, then you get it every quarter until you cancel it. So I have signed up in the past, and I've canceled. I've gone back and forth, and I've gotten a refill bundle. They used to be $14.99, and then in spring they went up to $19.99. So I got 2 in spring, and I'm getting 1, I think, in summer, I think. So anyway, I have this one left over from spring, so let's see what's in it. That's what this is about. All right, it's in a drawstring bag. I don't see a sticker on it, so the regular mystery bundles have a sticker on it that tells you a little bit of information. It used to tell you, basically, it was a code that would tell you what you were going to have in your box, but that's not really the case anymore. So I'm looking for my scissor, and I have a bunch of scissors, but they're not. Here's one. Okay. Because this is a drawstring bag, but it's hard. It's in a knot. So in the refill bundle, they guarantee that you'll have a value of $65 or more, and then it's like 1 out of 25 bags will have an additional value. And now that I see this, this was stuck to, when I pulled this bag out of the big brown box that came in, this sticker was holding it to the wall of the brown box. So this is the sticker, okay? So this is it, 2301 MYS 018. So I believe that the 2301 is 2023 first season, which is spring mystery 018. So if you have 018, you may have the same things, or maybe 1 item is the same. I'm not sure. There are 3 items in here. And with these 3 items, I will try to find pricing of them when I show you. This is the first time I'm looking at it. So the first thing that I have in here is Skin Chemist from London. This is a very pretty packaging. It says caffeine on the side. It says pure caffeine, 5% biphase serum, anti-aging, tighten, and smooth. Okay. So, and the caffeine, I guess, is going to help you with that. Let's see what it looks like. It's sealed, of course. Sometimes when you look for seals, the bottom is not sealed. Well, the bottom is sealed. And the bottom has numbers that look like this is expired, but hopefully not. Sometimes, you know, foreign This is from England, so their way of doing things might be different, but I sure hope it doesn't mean I don't think it's expired. I don't think they would have given me something that old. I'm hoping. So let me cut the seal on this sticker on here, and we'll get it opened and see what. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, it's interesting. Oh, look at that. All right, it's a little dropper bottle, and yeah, you can see it better in there than I can see it. Honestly, there is two different things in there that it looks like water and oil. So you're probably going to shake this before you use it. It just says caffeine 5%, and the brand on this just says pure caffeine 5%. But this, okay, here it is on the back. It says Skin Chemist from London. So shake to activate, it says. Okay, so you'll shake it to activate it, and interesting. It's very thin, like water. Why do I never have what I need when I need it? All right, here's a magnifying. It says apply 2 to 3 drops to cleansed skin. Always apply your skincare after you clean your skin. And then that's all it says. It says, you know, like caution stuff. There's a bunch of caution. If contact, no wording on this package, blah, 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 blah. This is a cosmetic product. And then it's in a different language or two. And that's it. So it wants you just to apply a couple of drops to cleanse skin. So let's check it out and see what it'll you know, shake it up to activate it, it says. Let's see what it smells like and everything. It doesn't have a scent, which is good for the skin, good for the face, in my opinion. If you're going to have a scent, it needed to be light. Okay, it is very watery. You can see that's very, very, it's like water. No scent. It's like water, so I'm not sure what it's going to do, but I think that there is a little bit of an oil base to it, but it's so thin like water. I don't know how it, I wish it had, well, maybe there's instructions on the box. This is frustrating. I'll look into this further, because if you put that on, I mean, it just stays wet. How's that going to help you? I don't know. But anyway, all right, let's move on. I will get a price on that and see what it's about. The dreaded hair thingies. Okay, I don't have hair to do anything with. So these are pretty. This is the brand Summer and Rose. I do like that brand. They have a lot of nice, Summer and Rose has a lot of nice products. It's as far as I understand it, it's a brand by Fab Fit Fun. And these are very pretty for summer. They're silky, you know, satiny silky, and they're 3 scrunchies. Very, very pretty for summer, but I don't need them. But they are, like I said, they're pretty. So I'll give them that. And then we have our last item is this big box. It's just white. I just saw something on it. It says Bando. So Ban, B-A-N .D-O, trademark. Okay, I don't know that you can possibly see it because it's pink on white. Okay, let's see what's in there. Probably some sort of a cup. That would be my best guess. Oh, maybe not. Oh, never know. Oh, okay. It is some sort of a cup. I have a bunch of cups, y'all. I don't need this. See, you know, all right. It's cute. Oh, this is cute. All right, let's see. It says stainless steel. It is Bando brand. It's a thermal mug. Let's see if I can, okay. Stainless steel. That's cute. And it is cute. It says going places on it. It's super cute. And let's see. All right. This turns here so you can, you know, have it closed when you're not drinking it for your coffee or your water. And now, okay, it's nice. It is stainless steel. This is nice. I like a good, a lot of people call these mugs, but a thermal something. This is great for coffee. I make a latte every morning, and I carry it with me. So I'm not sure what size it is, but it looks like maybe a 16 ounce. Do you think? It's more than 12 ounces. I don't see that it says anywhere on it. And the stainless steel will keep your whatever's in there, it'll keep it ice cold, or it'll keep it hot. And then just turn that when you're not drinking it so it stays whatever you want it to do. It does have this inside. Take good care of me. It says, be careful. Do not fill the tumbler to the very top. Allow at least 1 centimeter gap between contents and lid. Okay. I was hoping it would say the ounces, but I don't see that anywhere. Designed in sunny Los Angeles. It says that the value is $28. So, but these are nice to have. I like it. I like this. Okay, $28. So let me find the pricing on the others. I'll be right back. All right, so we know this one is $28. I really like this product. Really like this. So I paid $19.99 for the mystery bundle. So this, I feel like I got my money's worth. And then this Skin Chemist from London product. I looked it up, and it's valued at $44.90 on their site. $44.90. So it does say to put this on before you do your other skincare. After you clean your face, put this on first. The caffeine in here is supposed to help your skin if you've had a lot of sun damage. Which, you know, we think we didn't have a lot of sun damage in our lives. People my age, we all do. Younger people, if you're taking care of your skin, please do SPF, SPF, SPF. I can't say it enough. But I never was a sun worshiper, but I still have skin damage. If I go into a black room with a blue light, and you'll see my face is completely freckled, and that is sun damage. And I never was a sun person. I really wasn't. But SPFs didn't come around. I don't know how old I was, but they weren't around when I was a kid, and we played outside every day in the summer. We were not in the house except to eat lunch and supper. So we were outside the whole time, and you know, we would go on vacations. We went to the beach. We'd lay out on the beach. My mom and my aunts, they would put baby oil on their skin and lay out in the backyard. And I never really liked that. I always was so hot, so it was not comfortable to me. I like to be outside if it was nice out, but I like to be in the shade. So, but sometimes I would lay out, you know, so, you know, we know a lot more now than we did then. So I'm going to start using this and just using it as an essence, because that's the texture of it, even though it has that oil going on in there. It was so, maybe I didn't mix it enough, I don't know, but it was so light on my skin, just like water. So I'll put it on and wait a few minutes, and then hopefully it'll penetrate, and then do my regular skincare. So I'm excited to try it, and we'll see if it helps at all. And then these, y'all, they're not on the Summer and Rose site anymore. Everything I can find based on just researching is that they're valued at $20. They're scrunchies. They're better than Dollar Tree scrunchies. I'll give them that. They're very pretty. They're just a real nice satin. They're really pretty, I will say that. So this is going to go into my treasure trove. This is a bonus if you're into the treasure trove giveaway, then this is a bonus for that. So, and it's very pretty. I will say that. It just, I could have done without this. I would have rather have something different than this. But I did definitely feel that I got my money, because $45 and $28, I definitely got my money's worth. So this package is valued at $92.90. That is pretty good for a refill. That's supposed to be valued at $65. So I'm happy with that. So thanks, y'all. Thank y'all for stopping by and seeing what I got in this refill package. And I hope that you have a great day, y'all. And it's good to see you. And thanks for stopping by. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.